हुए केंद्र सरकार की ओर से इलेक्ट्रिक वाहनों को बढ़ावा दिया जा रहा है। इसके चलते बाजार में दिग्गज वाहन कंपनियां इलेक्ट्रिक गाड़ियां उतार रही हैं। इनमें इलेक्ट्रिक मोटरसाइकिल, स्कूटर से लेकर एसयूवी तक शामिल है। पुणे, महाराष्ट्र में भी इलेक्ट्रिक वाहनों को खरीदता बढ़ते नजर आ रहे हैं। रॉवेट मोबिलिटी प्राइवेट लिमिटेड की ओर से शानदार दुचाकी इलेक्ट्रिक वाहन कोरेगांव पार्क, पुणे के शोरूम में उपलब्ध है।
Hi everyone, so this is a very newly launched scooter by Rowett Mobility. It's named Elec. You can see how funky this look is, how stylish this bike looks. So basically we are having four types of variants in this, or four colors in this. This is the first one, that's grey. We have silver, black as well as white in this. You can see the bike is so stylish. It can suit any gender. You can opt for it for any age group. It's so beautiful and so unique. It has multiple colors also available, so you can select according to your choice. Now let me tell you a bit about the bike. The speed for this will be around 60 to 65 and the range will be 80 to 90. So it has a really good range. So if you charge it for once, you can easily travel up to 80 to 90 kilometers. The motor for this is 2000 watts and the battery is 72 by 35. Yeah, can you imagine 72 by 35? So it's gonna give you a really good pickup in this in comparison to all the brands which are available in India as of now. Also, this has a motor of 2000 watts, which is very good. So it will be giving you a very good speed in that terms. The tire size for this is 10 inches. So the tire will be giving you a really pickup on the roads. And this also had a powder coated chassis. So even if you use it for n number of years, rusting issues will definitely not be there. The tubeless tires will give you a very good roadside assistance. And we are also giving you additional benefits such as good roadside assistance. So if you have any kind of problems during the travel, so you can easily opt for us. You can easily call us up and there will be assistance for you provided. Also, we are using dual disc brakes on the front and rear. So again, which will help you really good to drive. You can also check out that we have given you beautiful LED lights which will look really good when you travel. Also, you can see the seat. The seat is quite tilted just to give you good edge or good slight comfort on the bike. Will be your battery fitted. And you can see the seat is so comfortable and so good looking. So even if you compare this to petrol two-wheelers, presently as you can see the petrol prices are rising, they are at a hike and they are going to keep on increasing over the years. So even if you check out, if you have to drive for 1000 kilometers, in terms of petrol you will be spending 3000 to 3500 bucks of rupees in present terms, which is too much cost consuming. And if you plan to shift to electric two-wheelers, this bike, the costing for this bike will be around just 400-500 rupees electricity would be required. That is, you can understand how much cost saving, near about 2500 to 3000 bucks you'll be saving every 1000 kilometers. So definitely shifting to electric two-wheelers in today's terms is very much beneficial and also good.
अधिक जानकारी के लिए www.rowett.in इस वेबसाइट को सर्च करें या 7273001212 अथवा 9851644644 नंबर पर संपर्क करें।